Hi there. Well, just start off sharing with you guys an update on my room tour slash collection update. And well, before I begin, I just want to wish each and every one of you Happy New Year. And yeah, let's just hope that 2021 is going to be a much better year compared to 2020. And yeah, without wasting any more time, I'm just going to start off with my Detox cabinet over here. And so yeah, in this detox, basically I've mixed my 1/64th scale models alongside my 1/18 scale. And yeah, as you can see, well, maybe I'll just start off from the top. So I've got, mainly Porsche models. I think these ones are the 911 Gt2 Rs for the car racing cup models. And then on the right hand side, these ones over here are the 911 Gt2 Rs. So well, these ones on the left, as you can see, yeah, I'm just probably going to move out a little bit. So yeah, these 5 models over here are produced by Tarmac Works, whereas the ones on the right hand side are made by an unknown manufacturer, and well, apparently they are dealership models, but well, I can't really verify whether that's true because there are no labeling or prints to explain that. And yeah, coming along to the center, probably I'll just open up the glass door. Well, hopefully the reflection is not that bad. It's really bright and sunny today here in Malaysia. So yeah, on this side, facing the front, we've got a couple of McLaren Sennas, as well as a lot of Honda Civic Type Rs, and all of these models are produced by Mini GT. So as you can tell, I do like to collect the same models, only in different colors or livery. And then just in front, or well, I think I can consider this as a centerpiece. So it's a Bugatti Chiron that's made by Welly, well, under its GT Autos label. And well, right next to it is some action figures that's produced by Hasbro under the Star Wars line. So as I've explained in my previous review of General Hux, the one in the black clothing, I've explained in that video that these action figures, which are in the 3.75 inches or 3 3/4 of an inch, I think that these action figures are suitable to display or pair with your 1/18 scale diecast models. So I've got 4 of them here. And then just looking at the side, so well, on this side, well, maybe I'll just face this angle. Well, I'm not sure if you guys can actually see it clearly because of the glare. The sunlight is facing, well, basically I'm facing directly with the sun. So yeah, I do want to apologize if it's not, the camera is not picking up. So we've got some Nissan GT-R R35s produced by Tomica under its Tomica Limited Vintage Neo label. So these are kind of pricey. On average it's about 100 ringgit, which is equivalent to 10 times the price of a Hot Wheels. And then well, right next to it are some Porsche 911 GT2 RS made by Mini GT. Oh, sorry, I think the camera is finding it difficult. So we've got a couple of Lamborghinis produced by Kyosho, and then well, right up there are Audi R8 V10 Plus made by Tarmac Works, and then right up there are some Ferrari. I believe this one is a 599 GTO, and then a California as well. So these Ferrari models are produced by Kyosho. So coming to the bottom, so yeah, as you can see, I've still got some empty spaces on the right hand side. So yeah, once I find any 1/64 scale models that are nice, I would definitely make a purchase and have them displayed right over there. So right on top is a Lamborghini Huracan Evo produced by Mini GT, and on its right is the BMW M4 also produced by Mini GT. And coming to the bottom, we've got a Jeep Wrangler produced by Greenlight under its Black Bandit series. And then on its right is a Porsche 911 GT3, I presume, made by Kyosho. And then right at the bottom there, we've got two Nissan Fairladies or 370Zs produced by Greenlight. And the ones on the bottom here, the Corvette C6 Zs, I think. So these are also produced by Greenlight. And then right at the base of this, second level, from the top is or are Burago models, in particularly Bugattis. So I've done a review on all three of these models. Starting on the left, the Bugatti Chiron with the 42 seconds label, and then the one in the middle, the Bugatti Chiron Sport, and the one on the right, the Bugatti Divo. So on this part of the shelf space, I haven't gotten any additional display compartments yet. But of course, when the collection grows, I'll definitely get those display shelves. So right down here, we've got three Burago models. Specifically the Ferrari 488 GTB. So the one on the left is made basically called the Shoemaker, which is Burago's collaboration with Ferrari in their 70th anniversary line. And then the one in the middle is a Burago signature model, and the one on the right is a basic Ferrari race and play version. So coming to the bottom here, so right at the back, the black and white models are BMW X7s produced by Para64. So I recently did a review on those two models, so you guys can check them out. And then right at the bottom here, we've got the one on the left and the right are Ferrari California Ts, produced by Burago under the 70th anniversary series as well. And squeezing in the middle is a Bugatti Veyron L'Edition Centenaire made by Autobot. So that's the current models in my Detox display. And just coming along to this side, we've got a LaFerrari, a Ferrari 458 Speciale. So these two are produced by Burago. And then on the right hand side is an Audi R8 V10 Plus made by Meister. This one is a Meister exclusive line, which is similar to the Burago signature line. And then coming at the bottom here, so we've got some Toyota Hiace made by Majorette. So on this side, actually, maybe I'll just show an overview. So on this side are mostly 1/64th 1/55th scale models. So it's a mixture of Hot Wheels, Majorette, Matchbox, Seiko, And well, I'm not sure if I missed anything out. Yeah, so I like to put the models lined up. If if they are the same kind of models, yeah, I like to have them displayed side by side. And well, just to highlight, these two Koenigseggs over here, as well as the Maserati Ghibli. These are produced under the Mattel label, not under its Hot Wheels or Matchbox brands. It's just purely Mattel. So yeah, mixture of Hot Wheels again, Siku, and well, this one has already gone sideways. And I've also got some Tomicas over here, the Alpha and Valfire, and some Lotus. On this corner, we've got a couple of Batmobiles, as well as the Batpod, and a well, this one at the back here is, I think, a 143 or 132 scale Volkswagen Beetles. Sorry, Beetle, produced for the Russian Olympics back in 2014. And well, coming to this side, so we've got some motorbikes produced by well, the three, well, starting with this KTM and then the Ducati. Well, sorry, these two are produced by Siku, and then the this one over here is a Honda bike that's produced by Tomica, and then the one on the left is a BMW bike produced by Hot Wheels. And yeah, I think the last time I did not show you guys my Hot Toys collection, those 1/6 scale models. So yeah, let me just adjust the camera a little bit. So well, on this side, I like to collect and display my Iron Man Hot Toys collection. So it's a mixture of the older generation Hot Toys, which were made of plastic. Well, most Iron Man Hot Toys models now are made of die-cast metal, which I do have. Well, those two, well, the War Machine, as well as the Iron Patriot at the back, well, those are die-cast metal, really heavy. And then we've got some plastic Iron Mans here, as well as a couple of G.I. Joe figures. I've even got a villain over there, which is the Mandarin from the Iron Man movie. And then some old and new Stormtroopers. And yeah, I've got some more standing up there. So these ones are well, called Mask Riders, or in Japan they are called Kamen Riders. Not sure if you're familiar with them. And then back to Hot Toys. So they've got Agent Phil Coulson of the Avengers fame, and then some Superman or Man of Steel movie characters. And then a 1989 Batman starring Michael Keaton, a Robocop, which is also made of die-cast metal, and then the New Goblin, as portrayed by oh well, I don't remember the actor's name, but see if you can recognize him. And well, that's not all, because I also have some more Hot Toys figures down here. So these are from the Thor movie line. So we've got Thor himself, Odin, and then Loki. And well, I've also got space for Captain America's. Well, I've actually slowed down in collecting hot toys or 1/6 scale models in general. Well, mainly due to the price. It's not getting any cheaper, and also well, space constraints. But yeah, I think I've covered everything in my room so far. So yeah, again, Happy New Year and stay safe, guys. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.